Hello students, today we will study what is public finance and how it got originated. As you all of know, public finance is coined of the two words public and finance. Public means people and the finance means money. So public finance means the money of the public. As it is considered that public finance was first originated in Germany, where it was called to be the Gesellschaft, which means that's the science of the finance. However, public finance is a specific branch of knowledge which deals with the financial activities of all governments, central, state, and local. It's a very new subject and very special branch of the economics that has been originated from last 80 to 85 years only, and it got popularity in the last 85 years. It is considered that Adam Smith, who is called the father of economics and who wrote in 1776 his book, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations, he has written about public finance in it, but his focus is on expenditure. However, the classical economics, Ricardo and Mill, they focused on the revenue part of the government, but none of them was complete. It was Westerville in 1892 who first coined the word public finance in his book. After it, Dalton in 1922 wrote a book that is called Principles of Public Finance, and he writes about public finance in a detail. But this subject got popular in 1936 when the book of the Keynes Journal Theory of Employment, Interest and Money came into existence. And it was Keynes who first time told the people that the government work is not only to raise the money and to spend it, but its major function is to correct the economy and to generate the income and employment in the economy. However, there were three events in the world that played a very important role in the popularity of the public finance. These were first was First World War. Students, as all of you know, that World War happened in from 1914 to 1918. When First World War finished, all the economies of the world and all the countries who were fighting in this World War, their expenditure rose to a great extent and they went into the debt. And this was a major problem for them. It was after it that a second event, depression of the 1930s, that came as a blow to the economies. All of you know that that Great Depression of the 1930s, where all the economies came into it one after another, and there was a problem of unemployment in all the economies. In that time, Keynes came with his book of journal theory and gave the solution of it that the government proposes to correct the economy, becoming a doctor of it, and to raise the income and the employment. And after it, that was the Second World War. And you know, Second World War, all the economies, all the world economies, they were involved in it, and the plan was totally shattered into it. The after effect of this World War, that inflation raised to a high extent that nobody was able to handle it. But after 1950s, when all the economies they were stabilized and state started to becoming converting into the from the policial state to the welfare state, and all economies started to work for the welfare of the people. Nowadays, every state is a welfare state that is considered not only to do the traditional functions of the government, that is for the internal security, external security, and the administration, but also to provide education, health, each and every facility best to its people, raising income and employment standard of the people and others. This is why public finance is getting popularity day by day, and from last 80 to 85 years, it is getting a popularity. However, public finance answers you the four questions. First, why should government intervene in the economy? Is there any requirement that government should intervene into the economy? When should government intervene into the economy? And how should government intervene in the economy? Uh, uh, Other reason is what is the impact of government intervention on the economy? However, the last part is getting more and more important nowadays because now we consider that the impact of the government intervention on the economy to a very large extent. In the next video, students, we will study about nature of the public finance. Thank you.